Hi, this is James Stelmack with Empire Network Realty. Today we're in Palm Coast, Florida. We're going to be taking a look at a community called Sawmill Branch, which is developed by DR Horton Homes. We're going to be taking a look at their regular traditional product as well as their express product, which has laminate cabinets. Just take a look at these models. Keep in mind, I don't work for any builders. I represent buyers like you who are searching for a new home. But whether you're searching for Tampa, Venice, Jacksonville, Orlando, or Palm Coast, what I'm known for is real estate with a rebate. I rebate half of my commission back to my buyers for the closing cost. It literally is thousands of dollars you don't have to pay because I paid it on your behalf. So enjoy the models. If you have any questions, give me a call, 321-287-8263. Hit the link below, realestatewitharebate.com. If you would, send me a note. Where would you like to see, what area would you like to see more of my videos and which builders? Look forward to talking to you. Bye-bye. Let me share with you a little bit more about how my rebate program works. Let's say hypothetically the house that you're looking at has a buyer agent commission of $15,000. I'll instruct the title company to take 50% of that, or $7,500, and credit that towards your closing cost. And on your settlement statement, it'll literally read, buyer agent credit $7,500. That's a real $7,500 you don't have to pay because I paid it on your behalf. Now, the federal government does put some restrictions on real estate rebates, or what's called third-party contributions, and those limits are based off of loan type, whether it's conventional, FHA, VA, or whether it's investment property, and also loan to value. But if you have any questions, give me a call, 321-287-8263, or hit the link below, realestatewitharebate.com. Look forward to talking to you. Bye-bye.